Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Heart Puppies Con Panna in Heartopia game Maltese event update. Okay, first of all guys, you need to unlock the recipe and you can buy the recipe from the exchange store. You can go to the event menu and select a puppy gacha machine and open the exchange store. Okay, and to buy something from here guys, you need to have the Maltese token. You can earn the token by earning the Maltese gacha coins first, and you can use the gacha coins to draw, and if you're lucky you will get the Maltese token. Okay, and you can scroll down to find the recipe, and this is the Heart Puppies Con Panna recipe. And after you unlock the recipe, just go to your stove and you're going to start cooking. And this is the ingredients that you need. You need milk and also coffee. Oops, I don't have coffee, so I'm just going to use the universal ingredient. So guys, if you want to make this Heart Puppies Con Panna, make sure that you already have two cup of coffee, or if you don't have, you can use the universal ingredient. And I'm going to start cooking. Yeah, just like this. Don't forget to adjust the heat level. Okay, adjust the heat level. Almost done. Alright, and I've just unlocked the Heart Puppies Con Panna. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the Heart Puppies Con Panna in Heartopia game Maltese event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!